Did you see what's in your fridge?
No. No.
What do Kim Kardashian and Bollywood celebrities have in common? They all are on same secret weight loss drug, but there's one side effect they never mention. The smell, rotten, like literal garbage. It's called Ozempic Burp and it smells literally like death. GLP-1 drugs like Ozempic, Wegovy or Mounjaro, they slows your stomach emptying so you feel full. But that also means food ferments inside and when it comes back up, it stinks. From Hollywood to Bollywood, celebrities are using Ozempic like candy. But behind the glam, they are fighting sulfur burps, constipation, and vomiting. As a pharmacist, I have seen people taking this without knowing the risk. Ozempic isn't meant for casual weight loss. It's a prescription medication with serious side effects. It's not just burps, it can affect your pancreas, gallbladder, and more. Don't take Ozempic just because your favorite celebrity is skinny.